Today, we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on my 2020 Nissan Kicks. Ahora, vamos a estar cambiando las bujías en mi 2020 Nissan Kicks. So these are the spark plugs I'm going to be using. They are Bosch. With the part number, the torque specs, says do not gap, and then I use anti-seize. I like to check gap, you know, the little coin thing. You know, I just like double check. So esa es la bujía que voy a estar usando, la marca, número de parte, cuánto libras ponerle, y es todo. You need 4 of them, and it's really easy to do. These are size 10mm, son 10. Crack these open, and so on and so on. It's really easy to do spark plugs. Everything's on top, nothing along the way. The first one. And there you go. I like to do them one by one. Hacer uno por uno. Press this down and pull. That's it. You grab this. See how easy it comes out. So the socket size is a 14. Es un 14. I don't have the actual socket for this size of spark plugs, so I'm going to be using a regular size deep socket, and I will show you how I put them in and take them out. You are going to need a magnet. You know, you just don't want to drop them in there. So putting the socket in there. Gotta feel for it. There you go. Wow. The order manual of the Nissan Kicks, it says to change it every 105,000 miles. En el manual del Nissan Kicks dice que cambiarlos cada 105,000 millas, 105,000 miles. And well, I don't know if you guys can see the difference in gap. This one's way gone. And these spark plugs are really cheap. They're really like $10, the originals. These are the original ones. I don't want to get them performance, but for $10, it's no question. So you get your new spark plug. See what I'm doing with the magnet? Slowly turning it in there. See, I don't have it no more. Remember, these don't take a lot. Okay, that's what I'm comfortable with. But then you put the boot in there. Finger tight, you don't want to break it. That's pretty much it. So simple, you guys. So easy to do. Now I'm gonna do these two, then I'll show you how to do that one. It's that simple, you guys. You do got a pop from right here. But that's all it takes. So I like these cars. They're easy to work on, cheap parts. What else do you want? Take your time, you need to rush it. Once you rush it, it'll go bad. You could put the threads, you could break something, just don't rush it, you guys. See, I'm doing everything with hand tools. You know, there's gonna be people that gonna say you could use hand tools for spark plugs, but yeah, you could use impacts for spark plugs. I'm okay like this. There you go. That's simple, you guys. Back in there. There you go. And it's that simple, you guys. So changing the spark plugs is really easy in this car. That's why I like, 4-cylinders. They're really easy to maintain, easy to, really do. Most likely, when they're V6s, they gotta take out the manifold. You gotta remove the manifold, and it just becomes a headache. But on these 4-cylinders, it's pretty much easy. So now, I could cut the video in here, but I'm also gonna show you how to clean the throttle body. I do gotta clean mine, so might as well let me show you. And the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, everything, just to break it loose. So now you're left with the throttle body. Some people just spray the spray in there, but likely it gets dirty from the back as well. So there's going to be an 8mm. That's my 8mm. You break it loose. The way the camera. You can remove it, the intake box, or you can get a smaller socket. But anything's possible. Now we'll get a smaller one. Nice bolt. This is close to, I think I have 75,000 miles on this car already. Never cleaned it once, they gotta use. And it doesn't look that bad. So I'm gonna cover this hole. I don't want any of the spray hitting the gasket. Sorry, body cleaner. And let this sit for a bit. So I got it all nice and clean. Remove my towel. Curious how it looks inside here. Yeah, it's really oily, bad. Está todo dañado dentro. No, but a little good wipe. Don't want to go deep into it. But now, make sure you set the part right on the gasket, right on the where surfacing where it needs to go. So you want to go cross, que así a cruz. You don't want to go like that. The finger tight right now. Getting the bolts where they need to be. So, like I said, Nissan says 105,000 miles every time. You're gonna just cause other problems if you wait 105. I say maybe 80,000 miles will be fine. And plus, they're cheap, you guys. You don't need, they're not like 25, 30 bucks each. 10 bucks saves you a lot of money and headaches. And, it will prevent really big damage to the engine. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have, any doubts, let me know. Let me know in the comment sections. And remember to subscribe. Thanks.